Hey guys, this is WheelockGeek again, and right here you're looking at my Kitty i9010 10-year smoke alarm. Today I'm going to be showing you smoke alarms that's going to be installed right around my house. So starting off, here's this one. This one's going to go in my room. I'm thinking it's going to go probably right there. But of course, I got this new inbox yesterday. Yeah, it's nice. And something interesting is when you press the hush button, it chirps. But see, yeah, I better stop playing with this thing. So yeah, in the hallway over here, we got this one. This is a Kitty i9050, I believe. Yeah, I installed this about a month ago. Yeah, nice. Right here was the old smoke alarm, the old BRK one that was installed in the bedroom. You see, obviously I took it down. This thing doesn't even use a battery, it only can be hardwired. This is another mounting bracket from an old smoke alarm. This is a i9040. As you can see, I'm going to install this right there because of, because right next to a TV. And here, I actually installed this morning. It's the first alert one. Though for some reason it's a little loose, but test it. Come on. It's very hard to do with one hand, but yeah, I can show you that works though. And in here we have this one. This is a Fire X one. Replaced a Nighthawk that was up here. Nice. Yeah, sorry Grant. The reason I said that is because I know Grant doesn't really like them, but see the light? Yeah, it looks creepy. But yeah, so I just have two more to install, then my house is protected. See, like, this one's gonna go about right here. Don't forget, code states that you need a smoke alarm in every room. And don't forget to replace these every 10 years, because after 10 years they're gonna stop working. I'm looking at you, Mr. BRK. Yeah, this one's kind of dirty. But yeah, this one was hardwired. It's, yeah. If I wanted to, I can convert this into like what New Age Server Alarm did. I don't know. This is basically right next to the kitchen, so I guess this is good right now. Even though kitchens need heat detectors, but I can't find a heat detector, and plus they are expensive. This 10-year battery one's gonna go at least like right there or something. And it's good because this thing has a 10-year battery, and if the battery dies then it has to be replaced. Let me test that again. Oh, my eye. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. WheelockGeek out. Placed a Nighthawk that was up here. So test that. Oh, fail. Yeah, this thing's not very tight though, but there's a mounting bracket. Looks like it has a mouth. Like, look, it looks like it has a mouth. Yeah. so I don't accidentally press the thing, I'm going to keep this open when I install it. It's left it to install. Go on, stay. And then, boom.